Replacing the low beam bulb on a 2010 Mitsubishi Galant. In these cars, changing the low beam bulb is very easy from under the hood. First, remove the terminal, then remove the rubber band. That leads to the headlight housing. Next, bend the latch. Pull out the old bulb. Into this slot. Bulb. Making sure it's out of the way. Oh, and clamp it with a clip. To keep it in place, close it. A protective rubber band. On it to keep dust and debris out. Press it tightly into place. Check for damage and connect the power supply to the headlight. Yes, that's it. Everything works fine.